Good morning. Right now I'm in a very special, beautiful place that I'm going to show you right now. I'm in Kenyon. Look at this beautiful wilderness in a hidden place somewhere in the land of Jerusalem. Look, just look at it. Look at the beautiful mountain. Wilderness Kenyon. Look at that. Let me take you guys a little bit further, and I believe we are here for a camel ride. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it now. Press the icon bell and subscribe. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, maybe they are the Camel Riders Association. I think we are here to ride a camel. I don't know. Hello, sweetie. Are we here to ride camel?
No, I don't like.
No. I mean, are we here to ride camel? Because
I don't know. No.
Okay, you don't know.
We were going to end of that in the water scenery.
Okay. Here is not the camel riding.
Okay.
No. I'm asking question. Here is not for the camel.
No.
Oh, I've already telling my subscriber that this is camel riding. Okay.
No, it wasn't.
Thank you.
That wrong information.
Yeah, I gave them wrong information. Now I got it from the beautiful ladies.
It's end of that.
So right now we are going. I'll get explanation when I get there. So let's just take a walk. Hi, beauties.
Hi.
Wow. Wow. I just keep walking.
Yeah.
Nobody to explain nothing to me. Do you know where we are going?
Yo.
You know?
No.
You don't speak English?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know where we are going? Where are we going now?
Going to end of that.
Okay.
The national park.
Oh, national park.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. God bless you.
God bless you to all.
So we are going to national park. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that. So you can hike to the mountain. Beautiful, beautiful. Hi, my friend. Wow, this is hiking, and I don't have a hiking shoe. Oh my God. Okay, let's do this. Ah.
Mountain.
Wow. I really need someone to. I'm gonna climb here now. Wow.
Alam mo kung ano kunin mo dito sa gitna? Dito sa may gitna, Adar, kunin mo itong telepono ko.
This place is endless.
Ito nga kunin mo.
Endless, endless.
Oo, ito.
Yeah, capture me as I go. Okay. Elohim.
Yeah.
Allah, God. This is your creation. This is beautiful. Imagine yourself being here 2,000 years ago, man.
It is much beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Yeah.
This place is endless. Oh.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
very interesting.
we have come far.
Yeah, it's fun.
Water part is still there. I think this is endless. Seriously, it's endless. It's endless. I'm gonna do this for the YouTubers. I mean, to my subscribers, because right now I have to see to the end of this. I'm tired. I've been working for a long time now. Look at this. Part of where the water is droplets. The droplets from the rock. So let's see to the end of this. Yeah.
What
Okay.
time you'll back? This the way, left side. You go there. It's another. Okay.
Uh-huh.
You go in the picture there.
Picture and come
Okay.
back here.
Yeah.
Picture
Okay,
and
okay.
come back.
Okay, okay.
It's the way, left
So
side.
I should go there and then come back here. Okay. Wow, this is a pond. This is like a pond now. You see that? Wow. How many of you have seen where they plant rice? This green look exactly like rice trees or rice flower, whatever you call it. Wow. Wow, this is the end of it now. This is the extreme end. This is beautiful.
Yes.
Very, very beautiful. I don't know how to describe the feelings I have here. I don't know how to describe the beauty of this place. This is not a man-made. This is God's creation. Yeah. This is beautiful.
Sige, saglit.
Alam si Jack, ayan eh. Siguradong hindi ka naman kakakakita.
So, wow. Now it's like a pool. There's no living. I don't think there's any living thing inside this water. Nothing whatsoever. Non-living things. Except, yeah, I can see some of the grasses inside the water. That's all I see here.
Algae.
Not whatsoever that is alive.
Oh, Nathan. Yala.
Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. You see, the water is coming down from the rock, down there, out of the rock. I don't know. It's coming out from the rock. You see that? This is beautiful. Wow. I guess this will be the end of this video. I'll see you on my next video. Please, if you like what you see, kindly subscribe and make sure you press the icon there for my next video. Thank you. Keep on watching Concrete Points. Hold on a moment. This part is not ending yet until I get to a stream somewhere around the corner. Wow. So please enjoy. This is beautiful.
Wala pa masyadong tubig pagka umulan yan.
Wow, this is stream. Okay. Where do this water come from? Under the rock. The water comes from the rock. I beg, put this thing for pocket, so. Look at the beautiful water. Wow, wow. Wow. There's no fish here. sir.
What do you say about this place?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Ah, it's very beautiful.
You understand? You see, it's the canyon. It's like a wilderness. You understand? So I just imagine, how did God make this happen? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, just
Oh, too beautiful, my brother. You know, how can you explain all this? The stone. Oh, no. Wow. What's your name?
Yeah, my name's Adams.
Adams.
Yes.
Okay. You are the first. You are our first father.
Yeah.
Whom eat the apple. They say you eat apple, but you make omoyonyo. You know what is omoyonyo?
No,
You slept with Eve.
Ah.
Nothing like apple. You slept with Eve and have us. So no snakes.
Yeah.
Maybe if he saw the animals making love, and then he said, Adam, do you know that this thing is for me? Come and try it. And then he tried it. They are turning it to apple.
And then it come
They say it's the snake. It's a lie. My brother,
Can you explain there?
I will do I speak English if you want to ask.
You don't know what
the history behind here.
This is the spring of Abada. Here in the desert, it's
Hawakan mo sa bakal. Diretso, wala na.